does not have gills. You hear that? No gills. So I can't be a fish. And I'm the genius boy for the generation, so I'm not gay. So that is that. Alright? It's over. Now, are there any questions?
Hello.
Do you like fish?
On video.
Oh.
No. You're a gay fish. Recently, we've all come to know the fish sticks joke is probably the funniest, most awesome joke ever. But who originally came up with it? Well, here's your answer. Joining us tonight, the brains behind the incredible fish sticks joke, the one and only Carlos Mencia. Yeah, so Carlos, you've got a show on Comedy Central, stand-up tour. Where did you have time to come up with this classic joke? Well, you know, I just kick in with my homies and my brain. You know,
Maybe it just feels good on a wing.
Huh?
Maybe it just feels good on a wing.
No. There's someone on the way.
Dirty bird. Oh, is she actually gonna stop?